There is a quiet pain many people carry. It is not loud, it is not dramatic. It is the feeling of being behind. Behind in life, behind in money, behind in career, behind in relationships, behind in milestones everyone else seems to reach on time. There was a man who used to scroll through his phone at night. Promotion announcements, engagement photos, new homes, new cars, vacation posts. And each image whispered the same question: what is wrong with me? He wasn't failing. He was working. He was trying. He was surviving. But compared to the timelines around him, it felt like he was late to his own life. This is the pressure of modern comparison. We no longer measure ourselves against our own growth. We measure ourselves against everyone's highlight reel. And slowly, quietly, a belief forms. If I am not where they are, I must be falling behind. But psychology tells us something important. Healing does not follow a schedule. Recovery does not follow a calendar. Rebuilding does not follow society's timeline. Some people are not late. They are recovering from things others never had to face. From unstable childhoods, from financial collapse, from emotional loss, from mental exhaustion, from years spent in survival mode. While others were building, they were learning how to breathe. While others were climbing, they were learning how to stand. And that is not delay. That is repair. The world rewards visible progress. Degrees, titles, income, assets. But it rarely acknowledges invisible work. Learning to trust again, learning to feel safe, learning to believe in yourself, learning to rest without fear, learning to hope without panic. This work does not show on resumes, but it changes everything. Here is the polarizing truth. Some people look ahead in life because they were never broken in the first place. Others look behind because they had to spend years putting themselves back together. That is not lateness. That is courage. You are not behind. You are in a different phase of the journey. A phase that builds depth, resilience, self-awareness, compassion. The kind of qualities that don't rush. The kind that last. There is no universal timeline for a human life. There is only your nervous system, your history, your healing, your capacity, and all of them move at the speed of safety. So if you feel late, maybe you are not late. Maybe you are finally safe enough to grow. This is the human ledger where money meets the human story. And where we remember you are not behind, you are rebuilding. And rebuilding is not a delay, it is the beginning of something stronger.